Reclaim your confidence one step at a time. Living with FND, chronic pain, or a long-term illness, or caring for someone who does, can take a toll on your confidence. The daily battles you face often leave you feeling like you're just surviving instead of thriving. But what if you could rebuild your confidence and rediscover the strength that's always been inside you? I'm thrilled to share a 5-day confidence challenge designed to help you do just that. You can start in less than 20 minutes and uncover the tools to step into any situation with renewed self-assurance. Find the strength to pursue your goals, no matter your circumstances. Build deeper, more meaningful connections with those around you. This isn't about ignoring your struggles or pretending life is perfect. This is about empowering you to rise above them. You deserve to feel strong, capable, and confident in who you are. Let this be the start of a new chapter where your challenges no longer define you. They motivate you. Go here to learn more and begin your journey today. Go to thejurassicmom.com. Look for the 5-day challenge in the header and select Confidence Challenge. Remember, you are more resilient than you realize, and the confidence to embrace life fully is just waiting to be unlocked. Let's do this together!